Okay, we are on video 4. The last video, it's going to be really quick, just going over print preview. Remember, we never print class. Before that, I was just going to show you with some shading. If you remember with the row 3 headings, we just click the paint can. Another option you can use, I'm going to go ahead and just highlight the rest of this. You do not have to, but just to play around, I'm going to highlight the values in these cells. There's also cell styles. We actually get to this later. With row headings and maybe the title here, I would use different headings here. There's even a title. But to color, you could choose, these are very similar to what I had in the paint can here. They may be labeled slightly different, but this still is a light orange color. So you could also come over here to choose one of your cell styles. Just an FYI. Okay. So with the printing, if you wanted to see what it would look like in print preview, everyone go ahead and file print. And then it will come up with, in black and white, of course, exactly what, yours may look like this, exactly what your paper would look like. Say maybe my columns were too far over and they got cut off. Maybe I had one column cut off, so it had to go on 2 pages. That would be something if we hit show details, or you may have a different view than me. But what I'm looking for is orientation instead of portrait, maybe making it landscape, so then I could get more columns on here. It just depends on what you want it to look like. We're not going to print, so another thing we could do is margins. If you just needed a little bit more room, you know, narrow margins would give you a little bit more room on the edges to get closer to the end of the sheet. So we're not going to print. I'm going to go ahead and cancel. And then one cool thing is after you do a print preview, you can see how much more room you have left with the dotted lines. And that's kind of your cutoff. I have plenty of room left here down. It goes all the way down to row 40. That is it. So this is the end of the tutorial for Unit 1. And you will have some assignments to do very similar to this.